guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning to all of you guys. This is Susana Bartolata Mix Vlog. Thank you so much sa lahat po ng aking mga subscribers at viewers. Ang video na makikita nyo po na aking i-upload ay makikita nyo po kaninang umaga yung cloud na talaga naman nagmo-move siya. Grabe yung ano niyang itim-itim. First time kong makakita ng ganun cloud dito sa Malaysia na talagang kumpul-kumpul yung ano niya, yung itim niya at saka nagmo-move siya. So grabe. Thank you so much. I love you all guys. And this is Susana Bartolata Mix Vlog. Guys, look at the cloud. Very dark and moving. See? Is moving, guys. Is moving. Now it's already there. Already there, moving. And the airplane is there. Why the airplane is not there anymore? They're moving. So beautiful, the clouds, so dark. Look at that. Maybe it's going to rain again because a dark cloud in the sky. See? Look at that moving. Just now is a big hug there. Now some is coming here again. Look at that. Wow, 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 beautiful. And that side also got big hug of dark cloud. Look at that. It's only 7 o'clock in the morning here in Malaysia. Look at that, guys. Oh, the cloud is moving until going their side. I don't know where it's going. Somewhere. Oh, look at that. And one plane is there. So nice. I captured the airplane is moving also, flying in the sky. Beautiful. Oh my god, so amazing. There are airplane there. Got so many airplane coming out this way. Look at that. And look at the cloud is moving. So big already. Oh, look at that. And look, guys. I don't know where they're going. Beautiful. Just now, there is nothing. Just only a little bit. Now a hug. So, I want to see no cloud that side. So, I want to see where the cloud is going.